Think you've seen enough crazy machines? Think again, because in the next 15 minutes, you're about to see machines that can crush forests, crush buses, and devour everything from wood, iron, to organic waste. This is a world of mechanical monsters where hundreds of horsepower aren't just numbers, they're declarations of destruction. Each device here is more than just a machine. It's the result of decades of research, testing, and refinement to create the most efficient, durable, and formidable machine on the market. First, meet the Albach Diamant 2000, an 800 horsepower monster from Germany, a machine that can swallow tree trunks as big as an adult's arm. Just press the accelerator and the forest roars. With a crushing speed of 60 cubic meters per hour, it doesn't cut, it shreds wood into dust. The 360-degree rotating cabin design gives the operator optimal control over the direction of the mulch discharge, minimizing manual operations. The cutting blade of the Diamant 2000 is made of super hard alloy, ensuring long life even when working in environments with lots of rocks or scrap metal. If you need something more mobile, the Arja's Impactor 250 is a must-have. It is one of the most compact yet powerful mobile crushers in its class. Capable of crushing a wide range of materials, from wood and construction waste to concrete and mild steel, the Impactor 250 is widely used in mobile recycling plants. And then there is the RT630, a PTO-mounted disc crusher manufactured by Remit CNC Poland. Mounted directly to a tractor, the RT630 can crush tree trunks up to 12 to 13 centimeters in diameter, making it ideal for farmers, cooperatives, or small and medium-sized logging teams. The exhaust pipe rotates 360 degrees, and the simple structure makes it easy to maintain. This is the Arjas V750, a versatile twin-shaft crusher that can handle organic waste, household waste, small tree trunks, bushes, and even foam mattresses. With a slow rotation speed but high traction, the VZ750 allows stable operation, limits material jams, and is suitable for biological waste treatment plants. If you have an excavator, don't rush to buy a new crusher. Just attach the Ficon VH80 EXC-1 head. In a flash, the excavator turns into a tree crushing, ground cleaning, bush cutting, and vegetation treatment complex. This system is especially popular in forestry road construction, land reclamation, and fire prevention. Now comes the favorite part of steel enthusiasts, crushing the metal. The Lindemann Etapress hydraulic press is a giant machine that crushes car bodies and scrap metal into neat, compact blocks. With a pressing force of over 160 tons, each cycle is completed in just about 1 minute. The three-dimensional pressing mechanism allows for a volume reduction of up to 80%. Still not fast enough? Welcome to the CPS 630, a large chamber hydraulic press manufactured by YJRS, Czech. With a capacity of up to 45 tons per hour, it is extremely efficient in medium-sized scrap yards. With an integrated remote control system and automatic loading chamber, the CPS 630 offers maximum safety and convenience for the operator. Transportation is a major cost in recycling, but the Brooks Mobile Chipper is a game changer. It is a high-capacity wood chipper that can be mounted on a truck or rail car, allowing it to be processed and loaded directly into a container or freight car. This means each car can hold the equivalent of 3 trucks worth of wood chips, reducing transportation costs by up to 30%. And if you need a machine that can eat it all, wood, steel, pallets, even construction waste, call the Dopstadt DW3060K Type F. It's a slow-speed, single-shaft crusher with a monstrous 240,000 Newton-meters of torque. With 21 alloy steel crushing teeth, it can handle a ton of crane mats without a scratch. Watch each crushing blow. Slow motion shows you every splintered wood, every bent iron bar, every flying metal shard like a firework. This is industrial art, where engineering and power merge into a destructive dance. You are witnessing tens of millions of dollars of technology operating in a mechanical symphony. Every blade, every hydraulic cylinder, every sensor contributes to the millisecond precision. And that's a 15-minute journey through the world of destructive machines. From forests to scrap yards to recycling plants, you've seen wood disappear, metal crumble, and organic waste turn into money. But this is just the first chapter. There are more monsters waiting to appear. Next episode will feature remote-controlled robot crushers, super-fast concrete breakers, and inventions that are ahead of their time. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment now. Which machine gave you the most goosebumps? We'll be back with even more power.